Hello, everyone. My name is Leo. Today is my first day at work. I wake up early in the morning. I feel excited and a little nervous. It is a very important day for me. I get ready for my office. I wear clean and formal clothes. I look at myself in the mirror. I want to look professional. I eat my breakfast quickly. I drink a cup of tea. I check the time on my phone. I do not want to be late. I leave my house with my bag. The weather is nice and fresh. I take a deep breath. I feel ready for the day. I travel to work by bus. I look outside the window. I think about my new job. My heart beats a little fast. I reach the office building. It is big and modern. Many people are entering the office. I feel a bit nervous again. I walk into the office. Everyone looks busy and focused. I walk slowly and carefully. This place feels new to me. I talk to the receptionist. She smiles and welcomes me. She tells me where to go. I say thank you politely. I meet my manager for the first time. He shakes my hand. He welcomes me to the office. I feel more relaxed now. My manager explains my duties. He talks about office rules. I listen very carefully. I want to do my best. My manager shows me my desk. We walk through the office. I see many people working. The office looks very organized. I sit at my desk. I place my bag down. Everything looks clean and new. I feel ready to work. I turn on my computer. The screen lights up slowly. I open my work files. This is my first task. I start working carefully. I read the instructions again. I type slowly and focus. I want to do it right. I feel a little confused. I ask my coworker for help. He explains everything kindly. I say thank you with a smile. I meet my team members. Everyone is friendly and polite. They welcome me warmly. I feel comfortable now. It is lunchtime now. We sit together and eat. We talk and laugh a little. I enjoy this moment. After lunch, I return to my desk. I feel more confident now. I work faster than before. I am learning new things. The workday is ending. I save my work files. I turn off my computer. I feel tired but happy. I leave the office building. The sun is going down. My first day is complete. I feel proud of myself. Today was a good day. I learned many new things. My team was very kind. Tomorrow will be even better.